Here is our first look at the new royal rooms at Port Orleans Riverside. Now, at first glance, these are beautiful, updated, fresh, if you just look at it for what it is. But if you compare them to what it used to be and compare to the new regularly refurbished rooms, they're not much different to these new regular refurbished rooms. Now, here is the royal room. It's got some nice paintings, the backlit headboard, which is beautiful, and the lights and everything, very nice. I love the colors. Bathroom looks standard. Here's another few photos. You can see the photos that the artwork. The sink is regular now. Used to be an Aladdin sink. You see the Tiana logo up there. The Tiana painting. The backlit headboard. Very nice. But here is a regular refurbished room that is $100 cheaper a night. Very little difference here. The headboard is not backlit, but other than that, and maybe if painting up by the wall, the shape of the mirror in the bathroom, very little difference. See, here's the royal room again. Not much different than the regular refurbished room. Look, again, the main thing is that headboard that's backlit. And the painting, this is what it used to look like. I loved this room. Look at how royal. This is an actual royal looking room. So much color and texture. And they stripped that away. I'm so disappointed. Look at the carpet embedded in the carpet. The TV smaller, obviously, but this looks so beautiful to me compared to what they did now. I mean, look at all these artwork that they put on the wall. They used to have on the wall. Not a fan of this parchment bathtub, but the Aladdin sink is missing, and this is what it looks like now. So I don't think it's worth the extra $100 a night. I don't think most people would think it's worth the extra $100 a night over the regularly refurbished room, but that's just me. Let me know what you think.